Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream wafers. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Combine these ingredients in a bowl and mix until a soft, pliable dough forms. Once mixed, wrap the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for easy handling. Now, let's roll out our chilled dough. On a lightly floured surface, roll the dough to an even thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Use a 2-inch round or fluted cookie cutter to create your wafer shapes. Carefully transfer these delicate cutouts to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they are spaced about 1 inch apart. This prevents sticking during baking. It's time to bake our wafers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the wafers for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are lightly golden brown around the edges. Once baked, carefully remove them from the oven and transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they cool, you can start preparing your delicious cream filling, which we'll discuss next. Finally, let's assemble our cream wafers. For the filling, beat half a cup of softened butter with 2 cups of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until light and fluffy. Pipe or spread a generous amount of this creamy filling onto the flat side of 1 cooled wafer. Then, gently place another wafer on top, creating a delightful sandwich. Enjoy your homemade cream wafers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.